Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. So after you open up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on System, Apps and Data, App Data. It's going to take you right here. All system apps are up to date. Updates are available for 9 non-system apps. Click on Update right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Update. Then you have it right here, so you can expand. Then you have all the update app, non-app. Then you have all non-system app that is needed for update right here. So review them as possible. So what you need to do here is to simply review them and click on update all, and you'll be told the amount of megabytes it's going to consume. Once you update everything, then the non-system app become fully updated. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.